Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 3 of our 5-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliAccount iOS. In this section, I will talk about setting up customers and vendors for your business entity. If you prefer to read this, you can download a PDF, which I'll post a URL at the end of this video, along with my email. So let's get started. I am already logged in and sitting at the home screen. I'll click on the Businesses tab bar option to start. Then I will click on our company row in the list of companies. This brings up the business home screen with options for entering business information. This section covers creating customers, so I will click on the Customers tab bar option. If we already had customers entered, they would be listed in this screen. We are going to click the New button at the top right-hand corner of the screen now. This brings up the new customer entry screen, which is a series of 3 screens. First off, all items with an asterisk are required while the others are optional. In this screen, I will create a customer called Acme Products for our example. In addition, if you want to enter a resale certificate number or a website for the customer, you could. Now we come to the customer address and contact information, which is optional. In MyIntelliAccount, you may enter multiple addresses and multiple contact information into the system. To demonstrate how the address system works, I will click on the address row to open a new screen. This is our first address, so we will click on the Add button to the top right-hand corner of the screen. This presents a third screen where we can enter our customer's address. I will enter an address for our customer, but I will pause the video for a moment and fill out the data. Welcome back. Now that you can see I have an address entered, I will click in the top right-hand corner of the screen, which will take us back to the address list page, where we will now have a row with a customer's address. If you click the row, you may edit any information you have entered and resubmit it. To save the information to MyIntelliAccount, we must click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This temporarily saves the information to the application and forwards us back to the customer entry screen. Similar to the address entry process, the process for recording contact information works almost identically. I click the row for contact information, and if we had any contact information already entered, I would see it here. If I wanted to add contact information, I would click the Add button at the top right-hand corner. All the fields in this screen are optional, but you must add at least one to save. I will simply type a phone number in and then click Save in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. As with the address information, you click the Save Customer Contact Information button to temporarily store the data in the application. Now, if you want to permanently save your new customer contact and address information in the system, you click the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, confirm the message, and you have saved your first customer. The vendor entry process is almost identical to the customer entry process, so I'll leave that as a self-exercise for you to accomplish. That covers entering customers into the MyIntelliClock system from an iOS device. This is the point we end Part 3 and move on to Part 4, inviting and adding users to MyIntelliAccount. Thank you for watching Part 3 of our series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyIntelliAccount iOS. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas how we can improve our software, please feel free to email me at the address that's listed at the end of this video. Enjoy MyIntelliAccount and take care and have a great day.